What's going on, people of YouTube? Today we're installing the hour meter kit for the Cub Cadet Ultima Z1. It's the 50-inch deck, but something simple today, and honestly wish it would have came with this freaking hour meter. So I wanted to install this now since the mower is new. The only time it's been running is for me to load it on to a trailer and take it off the trailer and put it away until I got the hour meter. But honestly, it's a simple installation from what I'm seeing. And all it is just 4 bolts here on the cover. So 7/16 bolts. Peel that right off. Exposes all the wiring, and look, they even have that hour meter supposed to be connected into. There's your PTO, there's your ignition. Take the key out. So in the box get your hour meter. You get the stickers, depending on which mower you have. I think one's for the steering wheel, and then one's for the lap bars. Steering wheel, lap bar. This is the one that we're going to be using today. And then a sticker that goes over for the hour meter. And then your instruction manual. Simple stuff. Just the packaging of that. So now that we got the cover taken off, we want to unplug these. Oh, they pull it just right out. Simple. This dang mosquitoes out here. Don't leave a buddy alone. All right. Now, pop each one of these out, because we're gonna have to remove the sticker on top too to replace it with the one that we have. Oh, better yet, we should probably flatten these out. Grab a sticker, flatten which one you need out, just so it'd be easier to put on. You got tabs, 2 tabs in front, and you got 2 in the back. You gotta push in and then pull up. So let's see if we can do this without breaking anything, hopefully. Dang mosquitoes. Okay, you can click like you want to go, but they don't want to go. Yeah, that is a snug fit. Here's the PTO. Let's do the ignition next. This be just as pain in the biggest pain in the butt as the other one. And yeah, you will be. All right. Alright, so we're back. GoPro batteries died. Got the PTO switch off. Got the ignition switch off. And then we got to take off the hour meter cover. But you know what? Before we even do that, we got to peel off this sticker. So, no big deal. Hopefully. Yeah. So, it's not as sticky as I thought it'd be. All in one go. Nice. That's not sticky at all. At least some kind of residue there. If you want to wipe that off, I think that'd be a good idea. I might just stick it back on there, and if it bites me in the butt, then it bites me in the butt. But, well, there it goes. Pop that hour meter cover off. No big deal. Grab our cover. It's gonna match exactly where it needs to go. Slap it right back in place. And I think you want to put this in first. Put this on first, and then put back your PTO, your ignition, and then your hour meter. Because then whatever's not showing, whatever's exposed still, your accessories will cover again. So let's see if we could line that up. Just like it had it. Dang mosquito, get out of my face. Oh, fucker. I don't want to get those bubbles in there. So let's try. Oh, I already screwed that one up. Let's try. Hopefully no bubbles in there. Yeah, of course, I got bubbles in there. No big deal. And I feel like I already did something wrong, because PTO switch is not fitting in there. So, silly me, I'm gonna have to peel this back up on this side. You know what? It pays to read instructions. Better yet, I don't know which side's gonna be facing me. Make sure what numbers are writing in. So you know what? We plug in our PTO, plug in our ignition, and plug in our hour meter, just to see. Look at that mosquito, sucker's huge. Plug this in so we can see, make sure it's facing the right way. Just plug in the PTO. I should have paid attention to what direction that was going. There we go. And then the PTO. No, ignition. Silly. Alright, so now with these on, grab the key, grab the hour meter, crank it over once. Nothing's showing. Oh. PTO was pushed out. So that's how we want it. It's the direction that we're gonna have facing us. There it shows it's time running. Alright. So now we know. Turn off the key, pull it out, and unplug all the wiring again. Well, I guess you could just do the hour meter, or you're gonna have to unplug everything to feed everything through, right? So as is. Just pushes right through. Hour meter fits right in. Boom, bam. All right. Let's get that bubble pushed out a little bit more. Okay. Unplug the ignition again. Unplug it again. Honestly, you could feed that right through, right? Because now it's time, basically. Dang. Covers everything, covers the yellow that's exposed. Check your PTO, make sure it's pointed upright. Sure. Feed that in. See, yeah, that was a reason why. It's a snug fit. It's always a pain to take apart. Get that back in, get that plugged in, get your ignition plugged back in. Get your PTO plugged back in. Now for the hour meter. Take the key. Everything runs as it should. Yep, that's pushed in, bars are out. Beautiful. Get your cover, snake it back under, line up the holes for your bolts. You don't want to use, if you could have like a driver to put these back in, that'd be ideal. You don't want to use an impact or anything. Strip out the plastic that it's going into, that it's threading into. Start them by hand first. Of course. Snug. Snug. Look at that. You're all set to go. Honestly, it did come with this other sticker. You know, I hate that it has this, or that it doesn't come with the hour meter already installed, because when you need it for maintenance. You want to know how long or how many hours are on the engine. How do you expect to do all that just remembering off the back of your head, unless you have it written down somewhere? But it's the right way of doing it. It should have came with an hour meter from the factory, but it is what it is, I guess. Could have bought another machine, but went with the Ultima Cub Cadet. And I think that's all set. We're all good to go. So I hope this video helps. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.